Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed another Ghost 2 system on this 2018 SQ5. So if someone hops in the vehicle, attempts to steal it, they've already got your key or they've cloned it, the vehicle's going to start up, but as soon as they go to drive away by selecting a gear, you'll see the car cuts out. There we go, the car's cut and cut with a load of errors, they'll be unable to drive it away. If the customer wants to drive it, they'll start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence that they choose. We've left it nice and simple for the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash from our indicators. Now we can select our gear, and as you can see, the vehicle doesn't stall out, still running, we're able to drive it. If the customer wants to put this in service mode, what they'll do is first disarm the system, then on this vehicle it's the driver's window 5 times, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll get 5 flashes. This means you can now take it back to Audi for a service, as long as they don't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more. It's a normal vehicle, so when they get in it to move it around their workshop, they just start it up, select their gear, and it won't cut out as the system's turned off. To turn it back on after it's been serviced, you'd obviously want to go secure in the vehicle again. We'll start it up and pop our code in like you normally do. Get your 2 usual flashes. There you go, and the system's turned back on again. So you can now drive it home, or if you're at home and you want to make sure that it's definitely turned back on, what you do to turn the vehicle off, start it back up, and attempt to steal it without the code. Select the gear, see the revs cut out, the vehicle dies, and you get all these faults that clear on a correct restart. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Ghost 2 on a 2018 SQ5. Thanks for watching.